There's really only one outreach strategy that's going to work for copywriters this year, and I want to show it to you today. So there's 4 phases to this. The first phase is attention. The second phase is offer with demand. The third phase is differentiation with mechanisms. And the fourth phase is proof of skill with free value. Let's break down exactly how to do this. So the first step is you have to get someone's attention to actually pitch them on the value you're going to provide. And as soon as you have their attention, you must give them an offer that they already want. Then you must show them why that offer is different from other bozos who've already failed to deliver. And then you must prove that you can actually do the offer you're pitching them. And this is why your outreach hasn't worked yet. I'm guessing you're missing 1, 2, or even 3 of these things. So let's get into how to do it. Starting with attention. The best method is cold outreach. You shouldn't be making content or anything yet. You need to get your first clients with cold outreach. It is the easiest method because you can choose who you're reaching out to. When you're doing content, ads, etc., you're going to get a bunch of random people. You're going to waste a lot of time and money. But with cold outreach, you can pick a dream client and then land them once you actually have a good strategy, which is what I'm giving you. And so cold email is the best way to do this. I see a lot of you guys saying to do cold DMs or send voice notes. Guys, it's 2026. That crap does not work anymore. You can use Instagram once you already have a bunch of proof on your page. But if you don't have that, then go with cold email. So how do we do this? First, deliverability. You guys need to make sure your emails are even hitting their inbox. We have an entire course on this in Copy School, but honestly, you don't have to buy that. Just use ChatGPT to teach you the basics of how to have high deliverability. Second, subject line. If they don't open your email, then obviously nothing matters inside the email. You must have a simple subject line, which basically just says, hey, I've got this for you, and personalize it. Super simple. And I'll give you guys an example of exactly how to do this outreach strategy, literally live from one of my students at the end of this video. So yeah, stick around. C, personal message. You have to actually give them a personalized custom message, which is not like some generic, oh, I love your channel. KJ, your stuff is so good. Let me write a bunch of stuff for you and you pay me. It has to be actual, like you would send an email to a friend. Don't be corny. It's that simple, guys. And you're going to have a loom in this cold email. So gone are the days where you can just send free value up front with a Google Doc. AI has ruined that. I'm sorry, guys. You have to try harder, but that means there's more results out there for those of you who actually want to try. So we're going to send cold email with a loom link. Now, what is actually inside of this loom? That is where the offer comes in. So most people, maybe yourself included, are out here spamming DMs saying, KJ, I can get you 14 to 500 appointments in the next 30 days. Guaranteed. I've done this for 14 other people who you don't know. That does not work, guys, as you can probably tell by your own outreach. But we do still have to have an offer. You can't just send them a bunch of random free value and they're like, okay, cool, but what are you going to do for me? So let's go over how to do that. First step is offer what they already want. This is huge. They have to already want the thing that you're going to pitch them. This is cold outreach. You're not making content. You're not educating people around this mechanism. They have to already want it. They have to already want email. They have to already want YouTube scripts. So how do we do this? Well, it needs to be specific per person. So don't do this per niche. Literally find one person you want to sign using outreach and then study their funnel. And here's how you do that. My dad always taught me this quote growing up, and it changed my life. See what a man's doing and help him do it. So go look at their funnel, see what they're already doing. Are they sending emails? Are they doing YouTube? What do they already have? And then help them do it better. And then you want to really specify what type of copy, because you're positioning yourself as a copywriter, which you are, and the value is in the type of copy you write. And so if you're going to offer something, offer email marketing, offer YouTube script writing, offer Instagram story sequences, or with DM setting on the back end, offer a specific type of copy that they already want. D, your offer must be free money. And so essentially, the way good offers work is it's just irresistible. The problem is people will give offers without the next 2 steps. So you have to have the next 2 steps, but you still have to offer something that's free money. And you got to answer a basic question without getting too cute. What exactly are you going to do for them? Are you going to do this many emails per week? Are you going to do a launch for them? Are you going to do this many YouTube scripts? What the heck are you actually offering them? Very, very important. Go over the deliverables. It's how many per week, etc. And they might actually want different stuff from you. The goal is not for them to convert specifically on this. It's just to get their attention and show them that you're not an idiot. You know what you're doing. It's that simple, guys. Next, differentiation. That is a big word for small KJ over here. But the plan is basically, so many people are doing this. So many people are doing attention offer. All the agency gurus, all these dumb courses with AI outreach, they're all doing this. So this isn't enough, but it still has to be in there. This is where things get really, really juicy, and this is what no one's teaching. Why? why is your offer different? Why does your stuff actually work? So if you're going to offer email marketing, for example, why is yours different? If they've tried email marketing, if they've hired an agency in the past that failed, how come yours is going to actually work? And so that's the first step. Why is your offer different? Why does it actually work? You have to explain, why did they fail in the past? And you have to give them like a mechanism. If you don't know what mechanisms are, you haven't seen my free course yet, go watch the full 10 hours. I know that sounds crazy, but guys, you go to school for literally thousands of hours and learn nothing when you could go to watch my free course for 10 and literally make $1 million. So go watch the free course, learn about mechanisms. You have to explain, this is how I'm going to get that result from your offer. So you say, I want to add an extra 10K per month to your sales just from email marketing. Now you have to explain how, and you do that with mechanisms. So an example, I have one email client that's paying me like 2K, might be 2.5K, just for like 3 emails a week. And how we actually pitch email marketing, even though they've been doing it before, is we talk about you have to use conversion cycles. You have to give value emails and then positioning emails in the right ratio, and then sales emails to actually convert once you've nurtured that audience. I made all this crap up, guys, but it logically explains how to actually sell and why their emails haven't worked. Because they look at this and think, wow, I've not been doing conversion cycles. I've not been doing positioning emails. No wonder my email hasn't worked. And they think, well, KJ is actually going to make it work because he does these things. And now here is where you tie everything up on a nice bow and just blow this out of the water. Proof of skill. It's not enough to do these 3 things. Everyone tries to do this, but they suck because they spend all their time doing outreach instead of actually getting good. You must prove to them your skill with free value. And if you're wondering if this works, by the way, look at these freaking interviews. You can go, I'll put the link to these in the description. Literally hundreds of thousands of dollars from this outreach strategy that I've taught my students one-to-one. Like, I'm giving you guys everything right here. All right, proof of skill with free value. Show them actual skill. Like if you say you're going to write them something, you need to write them something. So like give them one of these value emails, give them one of these positioning emails, give them one of the mechanisms that you're actually talking about. So actually do a piece of your system or offer. So if you're going to do them like Instagram sequences or Instagram reel scripts that have this certain, reason why they work, give them one of those things. You have to be good. And you guys are probably thinking like, oh, okay, I don't want to actually write the copy. Goodness gracious. Lord forbid I actually do the thing that I'm pitching. This is how you get better. The biggest problem that you guys need to be solving is not your outreach, is not all this random crap. It's the fact that you don't have thousands of hours writing copy. That's it. If you went from 0 to like 1,000 hours writing copy, you would make money. But you're spending all your time spinning your wheels, avoiding the very thing you should do, which is writing the freaking stuff. This is what will make you a millionaire. I'm telling you. Okay. Case studies are a bonus, but not the core proof. It's not enough to say you made this person this much money with whatever. No one freaking cares because they're not that person. They want to see what you can do for them. Personalize the value for them, actually write a piece of copy, and then show them how you did this same thing for someone else and it made them money. Case studies are an amazing bonus, and that gives you insane results. And so if you guys want to see this actually in action, because I know these are just kind of principles here, I'll tell you what, I'm going to give you an actual review of one of my students, Loom Simon, who actually joined from Copy School to Copy Elite 2 months ago, and he is freaking crushing it. So proud of him. But he actually agreed to let me give this to you guys. So if you guys want to join my email list, give me your email, and I'll shoot you over this Loom so it doesn't get spammed to 1 million people. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.